Yes, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in any part of the world. So once again, welcome to this live webinar with CPA Dreams Coach. Okay, so it's very good na kasama ko na naman kayo on this live session. Okay, so financial accounting and reporting po tayo. And marami tayong pag-aaralan today. Okay, so but before that, of course, let me just congratulate ang ating mga Olympic medalists, Heidelin Diaz, Carlo Paalam, Pretesio, Marshall. Okay, so congratulations. You really made the Philippines proud and great once again. Okay, even during these thriving times, during pandemic, nagkaroon tayo ng chance to show to the world that the Filipinos are really good in terms of sports, competition, and we have the spirit, okay, of standing up whatever trials that we are facing. So isa talaga kayo sa mga inspiration during these thriving times. Okay, and for those that are watching this live or on replay, please, as you have seen here, please like and share, comment CPA Dreams so that I would be able to know that you are here with us and you are always following CPA Dreams. Okay, kasi po ang dami nating surprises that are upcoming this remaining months ng 2021, and we have so many plans po kasi I started again hiring yung internship. Okay, so yung internship program natin sa CPA Dreams are ongoing. Okay, so and then makikita nyo na marami tayong mga motivational posts sa Sipales Self-Review Group. Okay, at sa CPA Dreams FB page natin. So if you don't want to miss it out, gawa po ng mga interns natin yan. So please do like them. Okay, para po malaman natin kung it's encouraging talaga. Okay, so we will do more of that. Okay, and then meron din po akong gustong i-share, of course, doon sa mga nag-enroll for Sipalit Test Banks and Handouts. Once again, thank you po. Okay, maraming salamat po. But before I proceed dun sa ating agenda for today, let me just remind yung mga baka may mga gusto pang humabol, like what I have said sa email ko, this will be the last time that we are going to have this Sipalit Test Banks and Handouts na lifetime access. Kasi po pinagaganda natin yan, yung ating mga intern ang gumagawa ngayon ng handouts na to. So it will be updated. Okay? And we keep adding po mga video lessons, summary notes, quizzes. This will be more than enough to achieve your CPA title. Okay, so yung handouts and test banks natin, nandiyan dyan yung financial accounting and reporting, taxation, advanced financial accounting and reporting, auditing theory and problems, and RFBT. And then I have added some books, okay, na pwede nyo ring i-check and pag-aralan. Okay, ang pinaka way ng pag-aaral natin dito is sometimes there are discussion questions and then multiple choice theories and multiple choice problems. Okay, so i-check nyo po yung ating page para ma-check nyo yung mga included dito. So punta lang din po kayo sa website natin. Then I'm adding bonuses. Okay, so meron tayong bonuses, merong final pre-board for all subjects. We have also added some videos for financial accounting and reporting and taxation. Then lifetime access for the last batch kasi later it will be only available for 6 months, and then if you did not pursue your CPA exam, then you will lose the access. But this is again the last time. Okay, and then once you become a certified public accountant, you will have a chance to have a one-on-one career planning session with me. Okay? So para hindi ka maligaw ng landas kung ano talaga yung specialized or specialized field or specialization na papasukin mo. Okay? Again, this is only for 2,500 pesos and ito po ay last offer na natin. Okay? Now, ano po talaga yung agenda natin today? Okay, yung ating main agenda, actually this is a second installment of our financial instrument session. Okay, or most of the lecturers, they called it investments, no? Okay, so this is the part 2. Okay, then mag-aaral po tayo ulit, financial asset at fair value, through profit or loss, and then through OCI, and then I will give some definitions, ano yung measurements na ginagamit, initial and subsequent, ano yung impact ng changes in fair value. Okay, and of course, marami akong pinirepare na problems. Okay, so meron po tayong mga problems na kailangang sagutan. Okay, para ma-practice natin yung concepts. Okay, so kaya tayo meron ding board and PowerPoint. Okay, so gagamitin ko yung PowerPoint for multiple choice problems, and then yung ating board, pagka merong mahirap na problem, then I will do, okay, yung mga problem solving sa board. Okay, so if you are ready, can you just please comment CPA Dreams? Okay, ako talaga, I'm thankful with the internet, the power of internet. Even there is a GCQ, ECQ, kahit ano pa yung kamote Q o banana Q na yan, ang ating kailangang paghandaan ay ang ating pag-achieve ng ating CPA Dreams or CPA title. Yan yung pinaka-importante. So hindi tayo basta-bastang madadala ng mga problema around us. Okay? And we need to be consistent in our study time. Okay? In our study sessions. Kaya I move it again, no? Every Saturday, no? 6 p.m. okay, Philippine time. Okay? And 2 p.m. if you are in the Middle East. Okay? So, bago tayo, okay, siguro i-summarize ko muna ano ba yung investments in financial asset at fair value through profit or loss. And then punta tayo dun sa investment in financial asset fair value OCI. Okay, so gamitin ko muna yung board, and then after that, we'll go through with the problems. Okay, kasi sayang naman yung pinirepair kong board. Okay, so yung topic kasi na financial instrument na to is meron yung sasakupin. Ito yung investment in financial asset, okay, through fair value, through profit or loss, okay, or PPL, ang iba ginagamit lang FBPL, okay, or ang iba naman naglalagay ng at, okay, financial asset at fair value through PNL, okay, through profit or loss. Dito, ito is, ang tawag dyan, old, okay, sa old, kung ikaw ay hindi mo naabutan to, ito yung tinatawag na before held for trading, okay, held for trading yung another term dyan, okay. Pero i-define nga natin, bakit ba talaga for trading or TPL yan? Bakit profit or loss? Kasi pag sinabi kasing held for trading, ibig sabihin yan in short run. Okay? Ibig sabihin, nag-i-invest si company for what reason? Okay? Ang reason niya is for financial gains in the short run. Okay? Kaya, paano ang presentation natin yan? No, ang presentation niya natin is laging current asset. Eh sir, paano kung hindi naman yan binenta yung investments na yan within the year? Okay, paano kung more than? Still, it will fall under current asset kasi nga for trading. Alam na kagad ni company kung bakit niya binibili yung investments na yon o nag-i-invest siya sa investment na yon kasi ibibenta niya yan pagka nagkaroon na ng gains. Okay? Ito is, okay, so siguro, on the reality, no, yung mga company na mga malalaki talaga at meron silang extra cash, they don't want their cash to sit on the bank. Okay, what they are going to do is invest that amount in any investment instruments. Like for example, sa stock market, invest nila yan. Pero ang plano nila is pag tumaas or umabot na yung capital gains or capital price appreciation ng stocks, okay, ng securities. Okay, sample lang ng securities. Nagkaroon na ng price appreciation. Okay? Nagkaroon ng price appreciation, ibebenta yan. Kung nabili halimbawa, yung investments for trading na 100, biglang naging 120 na. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kumita na yan ng 20, they will sell it. Okay? They will sell these shares na meron sila. Okay? Kaya held for trading yan. Now, sir, ano ang ating initial measurement? Okay? Ang initial measurement natin dyan, okay? Initial measurement. Paano natin yan i-measure? Okay, of course, yan is fair value only. Okay? Okay, through fair value. Okay, so tatandaan, fair value ang initial measurement natin. Sir, paano? Parang binabanggit lagi yung transaction cost sa mga problem. Yes, meron transaction cost. Paano, sir, ang treatment niyan? Sabi mo, fair value lang. Okay, ang treatment mo dyan, automatically, pasok yan as expense. Okay? Again, kasi through profit or loss, tatandaan mo lahat ng magagastos mo sa investment na yan, lahat ng transactions na yon, diretso yan as expenses. Papasok sa ating income statement. Okay? Now, yung subsequent measurement, sir, paano naman? Ang gagawin natin sa subsequent measurement yan. Okay? Kasi nga, di ba? Ibig sabihin kasi, yung at the end of the year, kung binili mo yan at the beginning year and then next year na, papaano ang measurement? Okay? Now, ang magiging measurement mo dyan is same pa rin, fair value. Okay? Laging fair value. Okay? Now, papaano kung merong changes? Sir, papaano kung nagkaroon ng changes in fair value? Papaano ang mangyayari dyan? Of course, there will be unrealized gain or loss. Okay? So ngayon, kung magkakaroon ng unrealized gain and loss, papaano, for example, papaano ang calculation natin dyan? Yung carrying amount at the beginning, so ibig sabihin kung next year na tayo, yung ending last year, yun yung carrying amount mo. Versus the fair value. Yan yung lagi mong titingnan. Kaya magkakaroon ka ng unrealized gain or losses. Okay? Depende sa naging movement niya. Okay? Papaano kung yung carrying amount, okay, is less than o mas mataas yung fair value. Okay? So that means meron kang unrealized gains. Yung carrying amount naman is greater than the fair value. So meron ka namang unrealized loss. Okay, so pinasimple lang natin. Sir, saan papasok yung mga gains and losses na yan? Okay, kaya nga natin binanggit through profit or loss. So ibig sabihin, ang mangyayari, pasok yan sa P&L mo. Okay, so P&L ang papasukan yan. Okay, now, punta tayo dun sa actual sale. Okay, paano naman, sir? Okay, kung actual na binenta, actual sale. Okay? Sabihin natin actual sale na, ha? Okay, ito is kanyo may changes ngayon, actual sale tayo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag ganun din, no? From unrealized, okay? So, tatanggalin mo lang yan. Kung actual sale na tayo, okay? Ganun pa rin ang comparison mo, carrying amount. Okay? Carrying amount. Pero dito is, ang mangyayari na is, hindi na fair value. Yung pinaka-fair value nito, ang gagawin mo na dyan, ganito na yan. Papalitan na natin yan. Okay. Of course, yung selling price. Okay. Yung selling price ng instrument na less the transaction cost. Okay. Less cost na dito. Okay. Selling price, less cost. Okay. Anong mababago? Kanina, unrealized. So ngayon is, magiging realized gains or losses na siya. Okay? Mapupunta sa P&L. Okay? So, simple lang. Binago ko lang. Ginawa ko lang yung fair value dito, selling price, less yung cost mo. Okay? Or less cost to sell. Okay? Pagkatapos realize na siya kasi actual sale na. Okay? Saan pupunta ang gains and loss? Papasok sa P&L. Okay? So, screenshot ito. So, napakagandang presentation niyan. Okay? Then, tagandaan din, minsan kasi may pampalito dito sa subsequent measurement. Okay? Minsan, naglalagay sa problem. Okay? Anong ginagawa sa problem? May pampalito. So, paano kung isama yung estimated cost to sell? Okay? Hindi pa naman subsequent ang tanong. So, ibig sabihin, wala yan. I-ignore mo lang yan. Okay? Minsan, ang mga examiner, naglalagay ng word estimated cost to sell. What is the amount now? What is the presentation or the measurement to use? Ang iba is, sinasama pa nila sa problem yan. Pampalito lang yan. Wala yung impact. Okay? So, yun yung ating investment in financial asset at fair value through profit or loss. Okay? Yan yung concept behind it. Now, punta naman tayo dun sa lagi rin nating naririnig. Okay? Okay na tayo dito ha. So, erase ko muna. Baguhin natin ng konti. Kasi, kung nag-fair value through profit or loss ka, so ngayon naman is, pupunta naman tayo, wait lang ha, erase ko muna. Punta tayo dun sa OCI na. Okay, kasi yan, dalawa na yan. Yan talaga ang mga main. Okay, laging yung meron, hindi ko ito nawawala. Kasi talaga, kung marunong ka, kung lumaki na yung company, at ikaw ang accountant nila, maganda talaga, alam mo to. Okay, kasi yung mga position na financial analyst, okay, position pagka ikaw ay naging CPA, no? Kalimitan ganito yung mga ina-analyze. Okay? Kaya it's very important to understand. Now, eto naman tayo. Investment in, okay, financial asset at fair value. Okay, ganun ulit. Nilagyan natin dito. Okay, through OCI ka naman. Okay? Yan, ang tawag dyan before. Okay, ito yung investment in financial asset at fair value through OCI. This is yung investment naman that you want to hold. Okay? Ibig sabihin yan, okay, ang identification natin dyan. Okay, ito yung i-hold naman, yung investment, kasi they want cash flows or dividends. Okay, usually, kaya OCI yan, okay, kasi gusto nila yung investments na yan is magkaroon ng contractual cash flows or yung dividends, or dyan papasok yung dividends or revenues. Okay, dividend revenue. Now, paano mo ma-identify? Okay, kung OCI yan. Okay, so laging tatandaan dapat, of course, given ang fair value. Fair value is given. Now, not held for trading. Okay, so ibig sabihin, hindi pala ito for short term. Okay, kasi hindi yan dapat for trading. Okay, ibig sabihin, ito ay pasok saan? Sa non-current asset. Okay, yun yung presentation mo dyan. Okay, ano pa? Dapat irrevocable ang designation. Okay, it's clearly naman sinasabi sa mga problems kung revocable o irrevocable. Okay, yan yung tatlong criteria mo para pumasok siya sa OCI. Okay, so minsan sinasabi na sa problem, ito ay investment through OCI. Okay, hindi ka na pahihirapan. Okay, now, again, non-current asset siya. Bakit nagkakaroon ng mga company ng ganitong investment? Kasi they want it for long term. They want the dividends yearly. Okay, they want a return yearly. Contractual cash flows. Okay, now, ano naman ang initial measurement niya? Okay, punta tayo sa initial measurement. Of course, same lang din. Okay, it is fair value. Pero, ang pinagkaiba niya sa profit or loss dito, isasama mo ang transaction cost. Okay, ibig sabihin pala, yung initial measurement mo, fair value plus transaction cost. Kasi kanina, sa fair value through profit or loss, yung transaction cost is automatically expense. Okay, so dito pala kasama siya. Okay, so wag malito, kasama siya. Okay, now, punta tayo sa subsequent measurement. Ano naman ang subsequent measurement niya? Okay, pag sinabing subsequent measurement, paano ang magiging presentation niyan? Okay, ganun pa rin. Fair value pa din. Okay, now, punta na tayo dun sa, again, wag malito, paano kung nandiyan naman yung estimated cost to sell? Okay, na word binanggit sa problem for subsequent measurement. Wala yan, ignore mo lang ulit yan. Pampalito lang yan. Okay, same lang sila kanina. Now, punta tayo dun sa changes. Okay, kasi ito lagi, dito lagi pumupunta ang tanong sa changes ng fair value. Okay, ganito yan. Kanina, di ba, yung mga unrealized gains or loss, pasok sa P&L. Ito, ang gains or loss mo, pasok sa OCI. Kaya siya naging OCI. Okay? Okay, ibibigay ko sa iyo kung ano yung usually tinatanong. Okay, para hindi ka na kagad malilito. Okay, pero focus muna tayo dito. Changes in fair value. Okay, so ganun pa rin. Carrying amount beginning versus fair value ang ating laging checking. Okay, para malaman yung changes. Now, again, kung ang carrying amount is less than the fair value, ibig sabihin meron kang unrealized gains. Okay, so may kinita pero unrealized pa siya kasi walang actual sale. Now, usually kasi at the end of the year yan tinitingnan. Carrying amount is greater than the fair value, then there will be unrealized loss. Okay, so ang pasok niyan automatically is pasok yan sa OCI. Okay, so wag malilito saan siya papasok, OCI siya. Okay, now, ang usually tanong kasi ganito yan. Okay, ganito yung tanong na yan. Usually ganito yan. Okay, ipakita ko lang. Ano yung tatlong laging tanong pagka merong OCI na yan? Okay, so alam na natin to. Okay, ang tanong kasi is, how much? Okay, pagka kasi fair value through OCI, ito yung mga pampalito. Okay, ang tanong is, how much is the unrealized gain or loss? Diba? Yan yung laging tanong ng gains or loss. Again, pagka OCI yung investment mo, ang unang itatanong, okay, minsan nililito ka, isasama pa sa tanong, magkano ang papasok sa income statement? Okay, of course, zero. Okay, wala. Okay, kasi nga OCI siya. Papaano kung ang tanong, how much is the unrealized gain or loss na papasok sa statement of comprehensive income? Okay, ibig sabihin yan current year unrealized gain or loss. Okay, again, ulitin ko. Pag ang tanong statement of comprehensive income, magkano unrealized gains or loss mo? Okay, ang mangyayari dyan is current year. Okay, now, doon naman tayo sa, paano naman sa statement of changes in equity or yung tinatawag nating statement of financial position. Okay, paano? Okay, so dito, ang mangyayari kanina current year lang. Dito is cumulative. Okay, cumulative yan. Pagka ito yung tanong. So, ibig sabihin, yung cumulative unrealized gains or loss, dyan yung papasok sa statement of financial position or statement of changes in equity. Okay, so ganyan lang yon mga kapatid. Madali lang siya, di ba? Okay, now, ito is, okay, kanina, sinabi ko, punta tayo sa actual sale. Paano kung meron ng actual sale na nangyayari? Okay, ganun pa din. Kung may actual sale, anong ating comparison? Lagi namang carrying amount, di ba? Okay, versus saan? Sa fair value, di ba? Okay, or versus sa selling price. Okay, less cost to sell, or dito actually is usually at fair value. So, carrying amount is greater than the fair value. Okay, kung mas mataas ang carrying amount than the fair value, doon magkakaroon ka ng realized loss. Okay, carrying amount is less than the fair value, meron kang realized gains. Okay, diretso, pagka nagka-actual sale na, saan mo siya ilalagay? Okay, retained earnings ka na. Okay, pasok na kaagad yan sa retained earnings. Hindi na yan dadaan sa income statement mo. Okay, kasi nga OCI siya, diretso ka na sa retained earnings. Eh sir, papaano kung merong previous cumulative unrealized loss or unrealized gains? So kailangan mo siyang i-adjust yung cumulative. Okay, saan mo i-adjust? Doon pa din sa retained earnings. Okay? Now, sir, paano naman po pagka merong mga cash or dividends? Okay? Again, yung cash and dividends, walang nangyayari, hindi nababawasan o nag-i-increase ang investments. Okay? Ang nangyayari lang is meron tayong nire-recognize na dividend income. Pag stock dividends, sir, paano naman? Wala. Okay, usually kasi memo entry lang yan, and then it doesn't increase the investment balance. Okay? So, I think with that discussion, no, kayang-kaya nating mag-solve ng mga problems. Okay? So, diretso na ako sa problems natin. Okay? So, kasi makukuha mo naman yung PowerPoint na to. So, doon na ako pupunta sa multiple choice problems natin. Okay? Kasi I think it's more than enough yung ating concepts para makapag-answer ng multiple choice problems. Okay? So, let me share with you yung ating PowerPoint. Okay? And let me just disappear. Okay? Kasi I think it's better na wala na akong video. Okay, so I hope you are seeing the PowerPoint. O sige, pasadahan ko na rin tong PowerPoint ng mabilis lang. Okay, now, financial assets at fair value nga, no? Meron tayong classification at fair value or at amortized cost. Okay, so equity security, ano tong mga to? Okay, sige, pasadahan ko ng konti. Okay, encompasses instrument representing ownership. Okay, kasi pag equity security yan, usually dito na papasok ang shares, rights, warrants, and options. Okay, usually nag-i-invest din ang mga company for that. Okay, yun, ito is represent ownership interest on an entity. Okay, yung mga company is, pag alam nila na yung isang company is maganda, of course, anong gagawin ng mga yan? Siyempre, magkukwan yan. Okay, mag-i-invest yan kasi ayaw nila na, kagaya nga ng sabi ko, they want to use their cash wisely. Kung meron silang extra cash and maganda yung takbo ng business. Usually, kaya pumapasok tayo sa mga investments. Okay? Kung mapapansin mo rin, actually, napakaraming holding company. Okay? Napakaraming holding company, no? Yung mga malalaking companies like yung Lucitan Group, yung SM Group, no? Kay Henry C. Okay, ganun din kay Manny Pangilinan, halos lahat yung mga yan is naka-group na sila. So pwede kasi mag-share, mag-invest yung bawat isa sa yung mga companies nila mag-diversify. Okay, through owning shares or equity security. That security naman, ito naman yung relationship mo sa creditor. Okay, with an entity. Ito yung mga sample. Pwedeng corporate bonds, pwedeng treasury bills, okay? Pwede yan sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, government securities, commercial papers, and pwede rin yung preference shares with mandatory redemption date. Yan yung mga sample natin ng debt security. Okay? I think it was mentioned from previous discussion. Again, yung diniscuss ko today, fair value through profit or loss. Okay, again, ito yung key, held for trading or trading securities. Okay, so ibig sabihin pala pag trading securities yan, pasok yan sa fair value through profit or loss. Okay, by requirement yan, required by the standard. Okay, irrevocably designated. Okay, these financial assets are measured, no, through P&L by designation already. All other instruments, included equity instruments, these financial assets are measured at fair value through profit or loss. Makikita yan sa PFRS 9. Okay? Financial assets held for trading, again, it's acquired principally for the purpose of selling or purchasing it in the near term. Kagaya ng sabi ko, current asset siya. Okay? Then, yung pattern ng short-term profit taking. Okay? It is a derivative except that it is a financial guarantee contract. Okay? And effective hedging instrument. Okay, now, financial asset either at fair value or amortized cost. Okay, an entity shall classify financial assets subsequently. Pwedeng kasing fair value or amortized cost. Okay, depending on the entity's business model. Okay, pero usually ang ginagamit dyan, yung discussion natin at fair value. Okay, yung business model again, no, pwede yang in order to trade, to realize fair value. Okay, pwede rin niyang to collect contractual cash flows. Kagaya ng sinabi ko, yung mga dividends. Okay, now, punta na tayo sa problem solving. Okay, so madali lang itong mga multiple choice questions na to. Kayang-kaya natin yung sagutan. Okay? Okay, first question. Paano nga ang approach natin? Kailangan natin basahin muna ang question. Tingnan natin kung ano yung important data. Eliminate those that are not important. Okay, and then make the calculations and answer it directly. Okay, let's read. Justice Company, 50,000 shares on January 15, 2021, representing 5% ownership interest. So for trading ito. Okay, the entity received a stock dividend of 20% on March when the market price of the share is 40. Okay, the investee paid a cash dividend of 5 per share. Okay, what amount should be reported as dividend income for the current year? Okay, dito is, it's very clear naman, no? Tinatanong is yung dividend income. Pero kung makikita mo sa problem, bakit meron pang stock dividend? Pampalito lang yan. Okay, so ang tunay na kakakalculate mo dyan, dun sa 50,000 shares mo. Okay, pagkatapos, yung 50,000 shares, no, nagbayad ng 5 per share, okay, na dividend. So, ibig sabihin, doon ka makakakuha ng dividend. Okay? So, ang magiging answer natin dyan is, simple lang, 50,000 yung original shares mo. Okay? Pero, i-calculate muna natin yung stock dividend mo. Okay? Since nagbigay ng 20%, okay, again, ang tinatanong natin is yung dividend income. So, 20% multiplied by 50,000, makukuha mo is 10,000. So, ibig sabihin, nag-increase. Okay, 50,000 plus yung 10,000 shares, okay, na stock dividend. So, ibig sabihin, 60,000 shares. Multiply by 5. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 60,000, ang makukuha mo is 300,000. So the answer is letter boy. Okay? So ibig sabihin pala, ito is diretsong sinabi dividend income. Okay? Pero kung iisipin mo, bakit dito sinabi held for trading? Bakit meron siyang dividends na na-receive? Okay? Usually kasi, may mga investments na kahit yan ay for trading, hindi mo siya nabenta kagad, hindi ka nagkaroon ng sale during that year. Okay? Kasi dito nag-purchase siya January 15. At December 15 na, wala naman sinabi sa problem na binenta. Okay? Kaso, ang maganda dito, biglang nag-declare ng dividend si company. Of course, meron ka pa ring dividend income na marireceive. Okay? And then, ngayon, 2 beses pa, actually. No? Merong stock dividend, pagkatapos merong cash dividend. Ang swerte naman. Okay? Usually, may mga company na ganyan. Okay? Kung ikaw ay nasa stock market, maraming ganyan yung strategy. Okay? Pampalito, pero sa pag-answer ng problem, minsan kailangan ng konting analysis talaga. Okay? So, ang answer natin dyan is 300,000. Okay, next. Kinfolk Company purchase. Again, ano ang question? What amount should be recorded as dividend revenue? Okay? Ang topic is laging dividend. Okay? Ito na naman tayo. Okay, 20,000 ordinary shares March 1, 2022 to be held for trading. The entity received 100,000 cash dividend on July 1, 2022. The investee declared 10% stock dividend on December 1, 2022. Okay, stock record date of December 31, 2022. So the dividend was distributed na-distribute January 31, 2023. So wala naman yung impact. Ang market price mo of the share was 38 on December 1, 2022. 40 at December 31, 2022 and 40 on January 31, 2023. Okay? Ang titingnan natin yung dividend revenue. Okay? So ibig sabihin, meron 20,000 ordinary shares. Okay, pagkatapos ganun ulit kasi nag-declare ng 10% stock dividend, multiply by 10% ulit. So magi-increase yung ordinary shares mo. 20,000 multiply by 10%, so may additional 2,000. So ang total shares mo na is 22,000. Okay, pero sa problem, okay, stock dividends ka. So ang tanong is, ano bang tanong? Meron siyang cash dividend na 100,000 on July 1, 2022. Okay, actually, yan na yung sagot. Ang tanong dito actually is, what amount should be recorded as dividend revenue? Dito natin yan i-base sa na-receive niyang actual cash dividend na 100,000. Walang impact na yung stock dividend. Okay, kasi clearly, yung 100,000 yung na-receive niya. Okay, nakita mo yung difference kanina? Okay, hindi sinabi kung magkano yung, ang sinabi is nag-declared ng exact price of the dividend. Dito, sinabi ang exact amount. So, kaya ang magiging answer mo is 100,000, which is eto na yon, 100,000 cash dividend. Okay? But then again, pag tinanong, magkano na ngayon ang ordinary shares ni Kinfolk? Ibig sabihin, 20,000 plus the 2,000, so 22,000 shares. Okay? Ang hawak niya. Okay? Ito yon. Next. So answer is A, 100,000. Next. Now, what is the net amount of gain or loss in 2022? Okay, again, so meron ng gain or loss na binanggit. So, basahin natin. Okay, the investment was classified as trading. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ito is through profit or loss. Okay, during the year, the entity sold 20,000 shares for 70 per share. The market price per share is 56. Okay, on December 31, 2022. Okay, now, ay kukumpara mo is etong 60 per share at saka yung 70 per share. Kasi ito yung cost niya. Okay, so 60 minus 70, nabenta na mas mataas. So, ibig sabihin may gain ka na 10. Magkano ang nabenta? 20,000. Okay, ngayon ang tanong, net amount of gain should be recognized for 2022. Okay, so ilan na nabenta? Meron kang 20,000 shares at what amount? 70. Ang cost niya 60. So ang kalalabasan niyan ganito. So yung difference 10, 20,000. So meron kang gain on sale of 200,000. Kaso meron ka pang remaining shares, di ba? Meron pa tayong remaining shares. Kailangan i-calculate mo na rin yun, which is 60,000 shares. Okay? So, meron kang 60,000 shares at December, ang naging amount niya is, at December is meron kang 56 per share. So, 56 multiply 60,000, 3,360,000. Yung carrying amount niya is 60,000 shares multiplied by 60. So, ang kalalabasan dyan is 3,600,000. So, market value of the remaining shares, 3,360. And carrying amount, 3,600. Meron kang loss na 240,000. Ang tanong net. So, kailangan ang gawin mo, gain on sale, 200,000. And then total loss, okay, yung 240,000 sa changes in fair value, ang difference is loss of 40,000. So, ang answer natin dyan is letter C. Okay? So, again, pag ang tanong, net amount. Okay? Now, let's move on. Punta tayo sa, okay, again, unrealized gain and loss pa rin tayo. Unrealized gain or loss on these securities. Okay? Now, at the beginning of the current year, okay, trading na naman, 5 million. The entity also paid commission taxes. Again, ito ay expense directly. Securities had a market value of 5,500,000 at year end. No securities were sold. Transaction cost would be incurred on disposal. So comparison lang to. 5 million dito and 5,500,000. So meron kang unrealized gain of 500,000. Okay, so that is letter C. Okay, madali lang. Anyways, you will receive this PowerPoint. So meron akong ginawang konting explanation. Okay, again, yung less costly disposal, wala siyang effect. Okay, next, trading pa rin. Ang tanong, what is the gain or loss on the sale of security B? Okay, pagka ganyan, alam mo na kagad, ang titingnan mo lang, ito lang si B. Okay, ang cost niya 1 million. December 31, 1,600,000. May nabenta kasi sinabi sale kagad. So alam mo na nagbenta siya. Magkano nabenta? 1,100,000. Okay, ang cost niya is 1 million. Okay? Pero ano na bang date? 2023 na. So ang basis is itong 1,600,000. Okay, so 1,600,000 less 1,100,000. So ibig sabihin, noong 2023 is nagkaroon ng loss of 500,000. Okay? So ang answer is dog. Okay, so ang dali lang. Okay, pagka ganyan mga problem, akala mo ang haba-haba. Pero ang dali-dali lang naman pala. Okay, next. Sorry. What amount should be reported as loss on sale of trading investments in 2023? Okay, again, trading pa din, yung ating diniscuss kanina. Purchase trading securities. Anong tanong? So, ibig sabihin para sa lahat. Pero dito is sale. Okay, so ano yung binenta? Hanapin mo kung ano yung binenta niya. Security B ulit, binenta raw. At 10,000 shares, okay, ang binenta niya. Okay, at what price? 130 per share. Merong kasamang brokerage commissions and taxes. So, ililess mo yan. Okay, ang market value niya ng 2022 is, ito yung basis mo, 1,600,000. Okay, so let's do the calculation. Actually, andito na yung solutions ko dyan. So, ang nabenta niya lang at 130. So, 1,300,000. Commission and taxes, kailangan mo siyang i-less. Then, net sale price is 1,250 less 1,600,000. Meron kang loss of 350. Okay, so madali lang, di ba? Kasi nga, alam mo na kagad na ang pagbabasihan mo, yung market value, yun yung subsequent measurement. Okay, so in this case, itong 1,600. Pagkatapos, merong na-incur. Okay, dito naman, ikukumpara mo siya sa nabenta. Nabenta mo at 130 per share. Pagkatapos, merong 50,000 brokerage commission and taxes. Okay, so multiply mo lang yung 10,000 sa 130, ilas mo yung 50,000, then less it to 1,600,000. Kaya ang makukuha mo is loss ka ng 350,000. Okay, so madali lang. Okay, punta ulit tayo. O, isa pa. Okay, ganun ulit. Ang tanong is short-term investments naman. Magkano mo ire-record yung trading debt securities mo? Okay, Belly Rose Company purchased 1 million face value, 8% bonds, 910,000 plus accrued interest. The bonds mature on January 1, pay interest January 1. On December 31, 2023, the bonds had a market value of 945,000. That the entity sold bonds for 920. Again, trading debt securities to. Okay, nilito pa niya tayo, sobrang daming sinabi. Pero kasi 'di ba sa discussion ko, anong sinabi ko? Subsequent measurement is at fair value. Okay, so the answer is 945,000. So this is letter C kasi yun yung market value niya. Huwag ka na mag-isip. Okay? So again, tatandaan mo kasi yung concept. Subsequent measurement natin, market value, so 945,000 mo siya i-present. Okay? Next. Ito na, OCI na tayo. Initial measurement of investment natin, fair value plus transaction cost. Okay, diniscuss ko yan. January 1, 2022, hostel company purchased 4,000 shares. Okay, at 100 per share. Okay, so initial, alam mo na ito na yun. 4,000 multiplied by 100, then may transaction cost sa problem, 12,000. Okay? Dito very clear, sinabi OCI siya. Kanina sinabi ko sa concept natin, that is fair value plus transaction cost. So 412. Meron pa pala, a 5 dividend per share on December has been declared in December 15, 2021. Ibig sabihin, to be paid by March 31, 2022. Okay, ako naman ang nagkamali. Merong sinabing dividend. Okay, bago pinurchase. Babawasin pa sa March 31, 2020 to shareholders. Ibig sabihin pala, inassume niya to. Okay? So, merong 5 dividend, kailangan mo siyang i-minus. Okay? So, 5 dividend per share multiply by the 4,000, ililess mo pa siya. Okay? So, kaya ang kalalabasan niya is 392. Sorry naman. Okay? So, 40,000 less the 5 kasi dividend on. Okay? So, inililess yung dividend kung inassume. Okay? From the previous owner. So, 412 less 20, 392. Okay, sorry. Ako naman ang nalito doon. Okay? Masyadong excited lang, so wag tularan mga kapatid. Okay, next. Presumptuous company revealed the following information pertaining to dividends. Again, ito is amount of dividend income should be reported for the current year. Okay, dividend income. Okay, so ibig sabihin, ano yung ating income? Okay, so non-trading investment to. Sinabi na pag non-trading investment, that is OCI. The entity owned 10%. Okay, interest in BL company. Declare a cash dividend of 500,000. To shareholders of record, actually, ito na yung sagot, 500,000. Walang impact yung liquidating dividend mo. Okay? Ang sagot dyan, yung entity owned 10% interest in BL company, nag-declare ng cash dividend of 500,000. Okay? So ngayon, multiply mo lang yung 10% multiply by the 500,000. So ang makukuha mo is 50,000. Okay? Yung liquidating dividend, walang impact yon. So the answer is letter A. Okay? Next. What amount should be reported loss on sale of equity securities? Okay, nagkaroon ng sale. Again, okay, related sa OCI to, so papasok sa OCI. Ang titingnan mo lang ano yung binenta. Dito is, again, entity sold 10,000 shares or 150 per share. Incurred 50,000 in brokerage commission and taxes. Okay, so ibig sabihin market value ni security B ng 2020 is 15550. Okay, then i-compare mo 10,000 multiplied by 150 and then less yung brokerage commission which is 50,000. Kaya ang kalalabasan niyan is magkano ang loss mo. Okay, so ganito yan. Ang total loss mo is 100,000. Okay, so 1,450. Then carrying amount 1,550, nag-loss ka ng 100,000. Okay? Yan lang yon. So letter boy ang sagot natin. Okay? So next, at the beginning of the current year, again, unrealized gain. Okay? In OCI na naman. Okay? Ang ating isusolve. Okay? Ang tanong is unrealized gain. Okay? Acquired an equity instrument for 4 million. Fair value through OCI, incurred direct acquisition, so 4,700,000 kasama yan. So ang fair value na ng instrument was 5,500. And the transaction cost that would be incurred, so pampalito lang yan. So 4,700,000 less 5,500,000. Okay, so meron kang gain. Magkano ang total gain mo? That is around 800,000. Okay, so letter C. Okay, so madali lang, 'di ba? Madali lang ang financial instrument at fair value through profit or loss or OCI. Don't worry, I will be sharing the PowerPoint. Okay, I hope you really learn, okay, from this discussion na madali lang talaga yung financial asset through profit or loss at financial asset through OCI. Okay, kasi very concept based lang talaga yung pag-aaral mo niyan. Okay, and wag malilito. Okay, medyo tricky yung ibang questions kahit ako. Okay, ngayon ko lang ulit binalikan to. Okay, kaya sorry for that kung medyo nalito rin ako. Okay, but Thank you so much, and I really pray for you na sana ma-achieve mo yung CPA dreams mo. And I was able to contribute in your journey to become a certified public accountant. Okay, just believe in yourself, you can do it. Okay, like what we are always saying here in CPA Dreams, let's achieve your unfinished CPA dreams. So always remember the 3-letter C for confidence, P for preparedness, A for Almighty God. So yun lang. Maraming salamat and see you again. Probably I'll do more multiple choice questions on the next session natin. Pero investment ulit tayo. Financial instrument ulit. Kasi I really want you to master it. Okay? So yun lang. Maraming salamat and mabuhay po kayo. Thank you so much. See you again.